Have a great week, Howcocks.
We, the Houck School community,
encourage, inspire, and empower
all students become lifelong learners
and responsible citizens.
Welcome to a new week, Howcocks. I hope you all had a wonderful Valentine's Day and enjoyed the snow over the weekend. I know our family really enjoyed it.
It was so fun to see you all at last week's Net Assembly. I thought Taylor's message about kindness and the importance of having a positive mindset was super cool. Her yo-yo skills were also pretty amazing. Mrs. Graham and I are so proud of how engaged you all were and how super your participation was. Way to go, Howcocks.
Hey, report cards are coming soon, Mr. Hofarth.
Sweet.
Yeah, right? Continue to work hard so that your teacher can grade you. Plus, myself, Mrs. Graham, and Mr. Hofarth are reading all the report cards this time around and making comments to each and every one of you.
I can't wait to read them. In other news, I want to remind you about your after-school arts block options. It's called the K-5 after-school Zoom program. Just a reminder that you have creative movement and PE sessions and you have access to visual art sessions. Totally tubular. These sessions are Thursdays from 3 to 3:40. If you're interested, have an adult family member contact Mrs. Goodpaster or Mrs. Huntington to get signed up. Hope you can make it.
All right, Hellcocks, that's all that we have for you this week. Have a great week.
Today I'm going to be teaching you a fun recipe, how to make saltine cracker candy. Here are the things you're going to need. Salt, this is an optional topping. Saltine crackers, it doesn't have to be saltine, they can be graham crackers or any cracker of your choice. Chocolate chips, marshmallows, also an optional topping. 2 sticks of butter, a cookie sheet, foil, make sure that the foil is completely lining the cookie sheet before you start, brown sugar, and a measuring cup. First, we're going to add our 1 cup of firmly packed brown sugar into our pot. Then, we're going to add our 2 sticks of butter. Stir until fully melted and then boil for 3 minutes. Now it's time to lay out your crackers on the cookie sheet. Now comes the hard part, pouring your toffee onto the crackers, which are covering your sheet. You might need an adult's help for this part. I have my mom helping me out. This is going to be delicious. Remember, you need to put it in the oven at 350 degrees for 3 minutes. Just finished putting my chocolate on top of the candy after it just came out of the oven. It smells delicious. Now I'm going to put it back in the oven for 3 minutes after I spread it out evenly, and then I'm going to take it back out and spread out the chocolate the best I can. The cracker candy just came out of the oven and it smells amazing. Now I'm just going to very slowly. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my marshmallows, which I put in a bowl, my salt, which I put in a bowl, and I'm going to put the sea salt on one side and the marshmallows on the other. After you have your toppings on your toffee and you have your chocolate and your toffee, all that stuff, you want to put it in a refrigerator or outside in the cold so that it can cool and firm up. Okay, so we just took the cracker candy from outside after we let it cool. Marshmallow first.
They're actually really good.
But yeah, I hope you have fun making this. It's super fun and easy and it tastes delicious. See you next time.
Cooperation across the nation so we can do great, be great, helping out in every situation. Cooperation across the nation, working side by side with you. I'ma do what I can do. We all must stand together, 'cause divided we will fall. If we can't trust each other, then we could lose it all. us now. Hand in hand with you, my friend, together we will shout out. Cooperation across the nation so we can do great, be great, helping out in every situation. Cooperation across the nation, working side by side with you, I'ma do what I can do. Cooperation across the nation so we can do great, be great, helping out in every situation. Cooperation across the nation, working side by side with you, I'ma do what I can do.
Have a great week, Cowcocks. Now please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.